Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the best fruit cake. Start by baking vanilla cake. You can use instant cake mix or you can make the cake from scratch using the recipe from the link in the description box. Then cover the cake with marshmallow cream or whipped cream. Now we need a can of cocktail fruits. We also need pitted lychee, sliced peaches, and diced pineapples, or any other type of fruit you prefer. Divide the cake into 4 equal sections. Then start organizing the peaches like so. Then put the fruit mix, then the pineapples and the lychees. Then peel tangerines and put them like so. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.